Hello everyone. I trust you're all in good health. I'm here to guide you through the process of taking the LUMS Common Admission Test and Science Aptitude Test. Before heading to the test center, please ensure you sanitize your hands and wear a face mask. It's mandatory. To ensure a smooth experience, make all necessary arrangements the day before the test. Here's a checklist of items to bring. Valid CNIC or passport or juvenile card. Signed admission test slip. It is recommended that you thoroughly review all instructions provided by the admission office, including those on the admission slip. Set your alarms early and double-check that you have all the required documents with you. Let me guide you to the relevant test centers for your convenience. Lahore Test Center, Punjab University Examination Center. Karachi Test Center, Regent Plaza Hotel. Islamabad Test Center, Islamabad Hotel. Peshawar City Test Center, Shelton Residor. Multan Test Center, Bahaddin Zakaria University. Quetta Test Center, Serena Hotel. When traveling to the test center, leave home with ample time to account for potential traffic delays. Utilize Google Maps for directions, ensuring you are headed to the correct test center. Upon arrival, confirm the test center details with a representative from the admissions office at the entrance. Once you've confirmed you're at the right place, join the queue of students awaiting registration. When your turn comes, approach the registration desk and hand over your test slip and CNIC for verification. After verification, a representative will capture a photo of you, stamp your red test slip, and staple a new entrance slip to it. Don't forget to collect this entrance slip, as it is necessary for entry into the exam hall. Proceed towards your assigned hall, verifying the hall number on your red test slip. Ask the staff to confirm that you are entering the correct hall designated by LUMS. Please ensure that you deliver the colored slip to the hall supervisor at the entrance of the exam hall. Find your seat by locating the test ID placed on the chairs. A stationery pouch containing pencils, pens, and a sharpener will be provided by the staff. The use of pens for completing the answer sheet is strictly prohibited. Kindly utilize the pencil provided by the staff for this purpose. Afterward, you'll receive a sealed question book, which you should not open until given the signal by supervisory staff. Upon opening the question book, once instructed by the hall supervisor, ensure that all pages are correctly printed. If there are any misprints, request a replacement. Now, it's time to receive your answer sheet. Be meticulous in filling out the bubble sheet using the provided method. Once you finish your paper, hand over the question paper, answer sheet, and test slip to the supervisory staff. Remember, it's compulsory to surrender these 3 items. You can then leave the hall quietly when the announcement is made by the hall supervisor. Best of luck on your journey with the LUMS admissions application.